Finding way to install Cisco Packet Tracer? Here's how. Cisco Packet Tracer is a powerful network simulation tool for learning networking and Internet of Things, aka IoT. First, we need to download the installer file before we can install it.
Now, open your browser and search Packet Tracer download. And we select the search result from netacad.com. Now, scroll down the site. You'll see Getting Started with Cisco Packet Tracer. We click View Course. After that, we click Get Started. Then you are brought to login page. If you don't have account, you can sign up here. After login, we need to accept terms and conditions to continue. After that, we are brought to here. Download and use Cisco Packet Tracer. We scroll down, click Install Cisco Packet Tracer. Then we scroll down, scroll to chapter 1.03. Click the download link. And then we go here. And select the version which suit for your operating system. And it will start download the installer. Next, we will continue to install Cisco Packet Tracer by open the installer we downloaded just now. First, we need to read and accept the license agreement and click Next. Now we can choose the installation path. Here, you can choose either you want to create a desktop shortcut or not. Finally, we click Install and get a coffee while waiting installation complete. Now we click Finish and wait it to launch. Now we require to log in before we can use it. And we choose Skill for All, since we have signed up Skill for All account just now. After login, Cisco Packet Tracer is ready for you to try out. Feel free to leave a like before you leave. See you in next video. Bye bye.